Hello children, welcome to 7th Science online classes. Fiber to fabric. Today we are going to solve the exercise questions in your textbook. Exercises page number 32 and 33. Question number 1. You must be familiar with the following nursery rhymes. Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Answer the following. Which parts of the black sheep have wool? Wool is obtained from hairy fibers of the sheep. So which part of the sheep have wool? Wool is obtained from hairy fibers of the sheep. What is meant by the white fleece of the lamb? White fleece. White fleece of the lamb refers to the white color of their fur or hair. So white fleece means white color of their fur or hair. Question number 2. Choose the correct option. The silkworm is a caterpillar or a larva. Some options also given there. Silkworm is the another word of caterpillar and larva. So the correct answer is that third option, that is both A and B. So silkworm we can call it as caterpillar and we can call it as larva. So answer is both A and B. Question number 3. Which of the following does not yield wool? Yak, camel, goat, woolly dog. So we know that from yak, camel, goat we yield wool, but from a woolly dog we does not yield wool. So the answer is fourth option, that is woolly dog. Next question, fourth question. What is meant by the following terms? First term is rearing. Answer. The process of keeping, feeding, breeding and medical care of useful animals is called rearing of animals. Okay, or we are giving them food and shelter, and they from there we give medical care also and reproduction also there. That process is called rearing of animals. These animals produce one or more useful products for human beings. And why we rear that animals? For getting some useful products from there. Example, wool from sheep, egg from hen, milk from cow. Okay, so these are the examples. So that is the term rearing. Next term is shearing. The process of removing the fleece of the sheep along with thin layer of skin is called shearing. And I told you that shearing is one kind of shaving. Okay, the removal of hair from the body or removing the fleece of the sheep. That process is called shearing. And sericulture. The rearing of silkworms for obtaining silk is called sericulture. The rearing of silkworms for obtaining silk. That term is called sericulture. Question number 5. Given below is a sequence of steps in the processing of wool. Which are the missing steps? Add them. Shearing, dash, sorting, dash, dash. So which are the processes there? Shearing. First process shearing, then scouring, sorting, removing burrs, coloring and making yarn. So these are the processes. Question number 6. Make sketches of the 2 stages in the life history of the silk moth which are directly related to the production of silk. Silkworm and cocoon with developed moth. These two stages are directly related to the production of silk. So you can draw these two figures in your notebook. Question number 7. Out of the following, which are the two terms related to silk production? Sericulture, floriculture, moriculture, apiculture, and silviculture. And some hints or clues also given. Silk production involves cultivation of mulberry leaves and rearing of silkworms. Scientific name of mulberry is Morus alba. So this scientific name of mulberry is Morus alba. So that Morus alba is related to this moriculture. So the answers are sericulture and moriculture. So silk production that related to two terms, sericulture, that is the rearing of silkworms, and moriculture means the cultivation of mulberry leaves. So answer is sericulture and moriculture. And floriculture means the cultivation of flowers. Apiculture means cultivation of rearing of honey bees for the manufacturing of honey. And silviculture, that is the cultivation of forest trees. Okay, so the correct answer of our question, that is the silk production, is related to sericulture and moriculture. Question 8. Match the words of column 1 with those given in column 2. Scouring. Here, cleaning sheared skin, that is the correct answer. Scouring, cleaning sheared skin. Mulberry leaves, food of silkworm. Mulberry leaves, food of silkworm. Yak, wool yielding animal. Yak, wool yielding animal. And cocoon yields silk fibers. Cocoon yields silk fibers. And children, question number 9, that is a crossword puzzle that you can do in your textbook. You can do your own in your textbook. And these exercise questions also, all exercise question, I think most questions you can do in your textbook, that you can do in the textbook. And those questions you cannot write in your textbook, that write in your notebook. Sometime some example question number 4, rearing, shearing, sericulture, that we already wrote in your notebook, but no problem, you can do once more. Okay, so which are the things you cannot write in your textbook, because there is no space in the textbook for such questions. That questions only you can write in your notebook, but other questions like fill in the blanks or match the following or tick the correct answer, that kind of questions you can write. You can write that answer or mark that answer in your textbook itself. Okay children, so thank you, all the best.